Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically change the season on your videos. You can use any video that you want, of course. I'm just going to use this one. Simply go to effects and type in autumn if you want to change the season to autumn. Select transition to fall and just place it inside of the video. If you don't want the transition, just right click, create compound clip, and make the clip shorter like so. You can also do this for winter. I'm just going to undo this. Type in winter. Select winter begins and add it. And again, if you don't want the transition, create compound clip and make it shorter. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!